Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I am back today with another super fun dumpster diving haul to share with you all. This has been stuff that I've kind of been collecting for quite a while now, and I finally have a chance to get it all laid out and videoed. And I'm hopefully going to film like multiple haul videos today so I can have some consistent videos coming out for you. So that is my hope. And I do have some fun things I'm excited to share with you and tell you about everything. So let's get right into it, I suppose. We're going to start right here. This is UGG brand, as you can see. It is a curtain panel, and there's only one, so I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it. It's really pretty, though. Just a super long 63-inch UGG window panel. It's, I want to say cotton. I don't know. It's taped up, but moved to returns area, trash. Obviously somebody, well, it says changed mind, not wanted, stained, dirty. So I will be the judge of that, but I'm assuming it's fine. I'll have to figure something out. Maybe I'll buy a matching one. I don't know. If you have an idea of what to do with one curtain panel, let me know down below, and maybe I will get crafty with it. Maybe. Who knows? But I do really like that, and I like the simple white clean look. Below that, which I also love, is a bread box, and there are kind of two of them here. They were both in this state originally. This one I managed to get back together. This one not so much. The little nails keep bending, and the bottom one just isn't lining up. So I'm thinking this one's just gonna go back in the garbage. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to cut our losses there. I cannot get it together. They did Sharpie up both of them. This one I got out pretty much. I kind of didn't try my hardest here at the end, but I can definitely try again. I just put some LA Totally Awesome and then used a magic eraser, and it came off fairly easily. Like I said, I didn't really even try too hard over here, so I think I will try again and get that off. But I love the natural wood look of it with the grains on the side and on the thing right here. It does slide up and down super nice. And something I learned because of this, I'm sure it makes absolute sense now that I look at it. The word Panera literally means bread box. I had never known that. I just thought it was a store or like a chain. But it makes sense. So here's my Panera, my bread box, and I'm definitely going to be keeping this. I like that. And then here's the defunct one. They both had little tags on them that said broken, obviously, and then they marked it up. So there's that. Moving right below that, these came from the thrift store, actually. It looks like they were throwing away some holiday stuff, I suppose. This is Disney gift wrap. It's not exclusively Christmas, but it does have winter, like, snowflakes on it. And it's the Muppets, I'm pretty sure. Like, isn't that's Fozzie Bear back there. I think that's Animal. I guess it's just those two guys. That's not, is that the Muppets? Oh, Miss Piggy. Yeah, it is. I was losing my mind there for a second. Okay, so yes, there's that, and then this one is absolutely gorgeous. These are both brand new wrapped. It has like these beautiful deers in this winter snow scene. It's like a watercolor, and this one's pretty big. 75 square feet, and it's from that store, the thrift store. Came from Kmart, I think. So Kmart is not a thing. At least I don't think it's a thing in the United States anymore. I used to love Kmart. This is just this little canvas print. It did have a frame. The frame was broken. I did not take that because it was quite broken. I also think it's kind of stupid that they put the price tag on the front here, right on the fabric-y, papery part, but I will try to get that off. It was originally $30, obviously, with the frame marked down to $0 just to be thrown away. But I took it. It's just these, again, watercolor plants, and I love it. So I will keep that as well. It does have some stains right here, but I'm not worried about that. Down here is a reusable bag, and almost all of my reusable bags come from the dumpster. This one just says enjoy the ride. I couldn't find anything wrong with it. Sometimes they're like ripped at the seams. This one is not. So I'm thinking it was like a spring line. And that's why it got thrown out, because it's not in season anymore, supposedly. So there's that. I like that as well. And then I have this little corner shelf. Here's the bottom pieces. Here's the shelving part. Again, they marked it up with Sharpie. This one I couldn't get out as well. Well, actually, as you can see, it's kind of coming up right now, so I guess I'll have to try again. Maybe I didn't try hard enough. Either way, though, I'm fine. I could even paint it if I wanted to. And I think I have the hardware for it in the bread box. I put it in there for safekeeping. I think that's the hardware for it. So obviously I haven't tried it yet, but I'm assuming it will be good to go. It is the Haven brand. That's a good find. And then another great find behind that, these are awesome, microfiber cleaning cloths. These were great for dusting and cleaning. It was a 10-pack. I'm not sure if all 10 are in here, but there's still quite a few, so that's good. I did this, something else I showed you, I swear. Oh, the UGG thing, and then a few other pieces that you'll see I actually had to jump into the dumpster for, and that is, I was fine with it because the store was closed, which is one benefit of the stores closing earlier. They close at like 6 o'clock now because of, the coronavirus situation and everything. So it makes it a lot easier to go in the daylight when they're closed. So there's that. And then right here, this is fabulous. This is a blanket ladder. This is something I've been wanting for a long time. It's not super big. My sister has a huge one. I'll show you guys next time I'm at her house. It's fairly small. There were actually 3 of them in the dumpster. The other 2 were broken right in half. This one, it's pretty badly splintered, I'm not gonna lie. And it has this piece right here that's breaking off. I'm gonna try to glue that back down. But other than that, I mean, I'm not actually gonna use it for climbing or anything, so it's sturdy enough. And it's in one piece. So I took it and I'm super happy about it. I like how natural these are. It did give me a splinter. I did get it out, but so it's real wood. And yeah, so there's a fabulous blanket ladder, which I do like as well. And when there's a blanket on there, you can't even really see the splintering going on. It's just right here, that one area. So there's that. Moving right along, I have another OttLite. Here's my little collection. There's one right there, one right there. Here's my third one. Unfortunately, I can't get this one to light. I don't know if it's the little bulbs down here or if it's the charger or what it is. There was no tag or anything on it. However, it is still a magnifying glass that works, obviously. So I think I still might keep this to use it as a magnifying glass and maybe play around with it and see if I can get the light working. But there's my third dumpster find OttLite. So that's cool. That came from the craft store as well. Back behind here is this sign that says Home Sweet Home. Super cute. It has little wooden houses with the metal words, little tin roofs, which is why it was thrown out, because some of them are popping off, but that's easy. I can just nail those back in and then have a super cute sign. Right here from this store, I have some ball jars. These are not food safe or preserving jars. It says it right here, the lids are not for preserving. They're labeled as gifting jars. So I guess that's what I will do with them. I will display things in it or gift things in it. There's just one shattered one right there, so I'll have to be careful and clean off the other 3, but those are perfect. Next to that, from the same store, are 2 room darkening window panels. At first I found one, and again I was like, what am I going to do with one window panel? But then I found the other. They both have this thing that says return used. I understand on fabric things, I suppose, but I really don't think these were used. I think they were just returned. And I'm glad they didn't destroy it, because this store has anger problems. They destroy everything. But they're like a brown color, and I think I will keep those. We'll see. If not, I will give them away if I can't find a spot for them. But back over here from the thrift store again are some Christmas bulbs. These are just like a clear iridescent. One is missing, but these are super pretty. And I've mentioned in the past I'm going to try to do 2 Christmas trees, like one silver and gold and then one traditional. So I will put those on like the silver and gold tree that I'm hopefully going to do. Next to that, which I'm excited about, I guess, is this comfy little outfit. Obviously it didn't like come together, but I found it in the same dumpster. These ones are brand new with tag, super soft jogger pants. This heather gray, they are very soft. I think that might be fake. Yeah, fake drawstring. You can't even see, but that's okay. If those fit, I will keep those. And then there's this copper fit Live Limitless, almost like a workout shirt. Oh, this came from a different store, I guess. This is the Bed and Bath store. They brought it down to $2.99. That's a pretty good deal, I guess. I would have bought it. Maybe not. But if it fits, I'm going to keep that as well. Right here, this came from the thrift store, but it's a super nice Staples planner. It even has the sticky notes tabs still in it. You just write your own planner, and then it has this whole, I want to say 5 subject notebook with folders as well. That's very nice. I'll probably donate that come the start of the school year. Back here I have 3 spray paints also from the craft store. They are 2 of these rose gold glitter ones, Rust-Oleum, which is a really good brand, and then 1 of the gold metallic paint and primer in 1, vintage gold. Maybe I can find a little craft to do with those. That's exciting. Getting to the end here. This is actually yarn. It was 2 rolls of it. Got a little bit unraveled and tangled, but that's okay. It's gray, fuzzy little loops, super cute. And then this pillow base. So I think I'm going to try to maybe cover that. That's why I had it on here. I think that would be cute. If you get the idea from this. But I think that's super cute. Maybe I will do that soon. Who knows? I'll keep you guys updated if I do anything. And then last but not least for this haul, right underneath that, is a fabulous find for today as well. It is this self-healing cutting mat from Fiskars. And I actually used to have a little bit smaller version of this one, but I had kind of used it as an ironing board because I didn't have an ironing board, so it got all wrinkly and crinkly, and I just kind of had to throw it away, unfortunately. But I found this one, and the only thing is that it's a little bit rippled in the corner, so I'm going to try to flatten that out, but even if it doesn't, that's not a problem for me. I can still measure and cut. I have the rolling cutter and everything, so that is an awesome find. It's like a pinky purple color. So that's going to be it for this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking around as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam, and I will be back soon with more dumpster diving related videos. Thank you.